everyone, I'm back with another trading session. My first trade is gonna be this one, but my entry is a little bad. Yeah. This is my first entry, first trade. The reason behind that, if I open my pen, alright, okay, so if you look at here, the first thing you see is that 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is what you see. Okay, market sequence: 2 candle here and then 1 single candle, 2 candle here, 2 candle here, and again 1 single candle here, and again 2 candle here, 2 candle here. If we come up, okay, we can have a green one, red one, and then again 2 green, and then another one as a red one. Okay, so this is how market moves. Market is not moving randomly. Market's not moving like for no reason. It has a reason. Okay, and when you can detect the market sequence and the way it moves, you can take a couple of good trades. All right, so here we have this gap down. There's no reason for buyers to go with the bars here because it's too risky. But if we go and close above this buyer's entry right here, we can go with the bars. Okay, I don't want to see strong buyer's candle. I just want to see this sort of hammer or something. Okay, let's see if we're gonna have that. All right, there's still a gap, so I'm not going to count on that. Let me see the 5 second. I don't see. I want to take a very small risk with this trade. No, I don't see like any significant buyer's entry, so I'm just going to move on here. Okay, just going to move on. Let's go to the next. Let me just add a couple of pairs. Yeah, so okay, I will go with the sellers after this. If we were breaking this, that would be amazing, but for now we're not breaking anything. We're just gonna go with the sellers. Okay, nice. 2 1. Okay, go with the sellers here. Oh my god. Let's go one more. There's still a gap to this rejection point, and if they close as a green one, we're gonna lose all of that. But I believe there should be seller's entry. But the better entry would be entering right here at exactly at this rejection point. And another reason for taking this trade is because we broke this range right here. And also, if you look at the past, like previous 15-20 candles, you'll see there's not more than 2 consecutive green candles. So that's another reason. It's not a very strong one, but it's still a good reason. Let's see if they're gonna reject at the last second. I have a funny feeling that they're gonna reject and make us lose this trade. No, please don't do that to me today. 1. Oh, that was close. Okay, so for this one, you know why it was a little risky? Because the perfect entry would be right here. Okay, because it was possible that this candle close here, but the next candle opens with this gap up. I've seen a lot. Okay, because if you look at the previous time that the market has been going up like this, we have with this this gap up, so we can expect another gap up here, but fortunately it didn't create with this gap up, otherwise we would lose this trade. Okay, so let's just move on. Let's see. People have been asking about mentorship, they asking a lot, and that's pretty interesting because I wasn't expecting there's so many people just waiting for the mentorship, but I have to tell you that it's getting ready. I'm like I guess it's gonna be ready pretty soon. I can't give you exact date, but yeah, it will be ready soon. And it's a 0 to hero course with my personal support as mentor. Okay, it will be ready soon. Okay. Look at this market. This is a market with long wicks. So obviously, if you want to take a trade here, you have to enter with margin safety. For example, here we have this round number, and then this candle came down here. When it crossed this round number, you could enter with marginal safety. Let me see if I can take a trade here. It's like 10 seconds left from this candle, and your marginal safety is better to just, you know, more than 30 seconds left from the candle, and that's gonna be better trade. Okay, for example, if you want to take your trade with margin safety, make sure that it's you know, the time left, it's more than 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, I want to go with the buyers right here for a couple of reasons for taking this trade. Let's see what the result is going to be. The reason behind this trade is this: it's on a rejection point, okay, and we also have this rejection point as a trend. Okay, we lost this trade, no problem. Oh my god, we won the trade. We won the trade. All right. So the reason behind this trade was we have this this as a. My cat is just biting me. Oh my god. Okay, so we have this round number. Yeah. Yes. All right, and we have this rejection point. Is this a common point of rejection here? No, this is the common point of rejection. So basically, for the previous two candles, it's takeable to take your trade on this rejection point. And since we have this round number as well, and the round number is down here, it would be better if you enter below this round number. Okay, so this is the rejection point for, let me see. You could also count this as a rejection point, and you could have a zone of rejection points like this. Okay, and my trade was basically here under this round number and based on the rejections. And if you connect all the common rejection points here, that's pretty interesting. Okay, that's pretty interesting that the rejections also have trends sometimes. Okay, if you can't connect these rejection points, you can count on the intersections of them as well. All right, so let's take more trades. Okay, I will go with the buyers right here. We have double doji. If it comes down, I will add just more and more, because if you look at here, we have double doji, right? So we created this range, and the market is trying to break from somewhere to have a retracement trade. Okay, so here you see that we also created this higher high. So if you were looking at this candle's movement, there was a lot of buyers. All right, and now I'm expecting a break of this doji from the upside. That's why I go with the buyers, since we have this trend going up, and it basically touched a demand area, and the market's preferred direction is going up. We also have broken this trend. We are expecting this kind of market here, okay, to reach to this area one more time. There's also a QM level. It actually might react from this and then go up like this. I don't know, we will see. Okay. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, one of them was losing, another one winning. I will go one more here on this rejection point, two more. I have to see a green candle here no matter what, bro. Just how many dojis? Let's mark this. That's pretty interesting. Let's mark these dojis. You know why I go with the buyers here? Because I see just markets just keeping creating higher highs. Okay, it has to give us like a green candle. Let me just go to the lower time frame and you'll see a crazy ranging market here. And at the lower time frame, you see this ABC to the downside, broke the swing, it came down here, and our entry is exactly on this lower time frame QM area. That's why it's going to go up. Okay, these higher highs you saw at the 1 minute time frame on the dojis, they have QM inside of them. Okay, that's why these higher highs were important for us. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. You see these higher highs? They are creating some, they're creating some, hold on. They're creating some QM level, and then this candle is basically result of that QM at the lower scale. You see that we broke this from the upside. I told you we're either gonna break to the upside or downside, and then create a breakout trade. So this trade was also takeable while I was showing you the lower time frame. Okay, so that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me, and yeah, join the Telegram channel. The mentorship is going to announce there, and there's going to be a discount for early birds, so make sure you join the Telegram channel so to not miss the opportunity. Okay, thank you for your crazy support, everybody, and peace out.